Vehicle? Check out the 2021 Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is equipped with the standard 3.3-liter V6 270 horsepower hybrid engine that achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway, offering a spacious interior, smooth ride, and refined hybrid powertrain. The Highlander is an excellent family vehicle that combines exceptional fuel economy and a spacious, well-appointed interior, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.